So as I was saying, I have wind damage all on here, and it's starting to tear a bit on there as well. So I know coming down that there are some repairs, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we get down into some repairs. And I mean, I couldn't say if this is all not wind for sure, because some of it is very loosey-goosey, but none of it is repairable at all. And like I said, being that we need to repair up this valley anyways, doesn't quite make sense that that would not be taken care of as well. So I mean, that's giving us just about a wraparound, and this is going to cut off, so I'll continue here in a sec.